I recently got Marshall Hamilton 2s from Best Buy for around $120, which is insane because when they were new, they were being sold for $170 before tax. But before a few months, they recently launched Marshall Hamilton 3, which according to many YouTubers is not a big upgrade from Marshall Hamilton 2. So saving $50, I got this. Now don't get me wrong. This is a really good speaker. It is very loud and it has really good noise separation. But only when you are like sitting alone and want to vibe while working on something. The moment you increase the voice of it of more than 70 or 80%, it straight up sucks, man. The voice gets distorted and there's no bass at all. It's just flat.